This is the app that we are going to make today. Let's see how our app looks first. Let's go to the logcat. Let's just make it a bit small. And we searched out tag over here. Let's go to the emulator. Let's put start threads. I'm saying start threads. It start counting from 1 to 50, and then if I say stop thread, it close the app. So today's goal is to make an app like that. I'm in the activity underscore main.xml file. Over here we have a lot of code to write. Let's come down, and then over here we are creating a progress bar. Yeah, here it is. Let's hit enter, and I'm setting the width as wrap content and height also as wrap content. Let's come down over here, and then I'm setting the ID. I'm saying Android is to ID, at ID, and then I'm naming it as progress bar. Then let's come down over here. So let's come down, and over here I'm writing down Android is to progress. So this just makes our app slow. Let's just try it out and check what happens. And I'm setting it to 0, and the maximum I'm setting it to 9. I'm writing down max, and I'm setting it okay. Android is to max is equal to 9. So now we'll have to set the position of it. So let's do that. I'm writing down Android is to layout underscore margin end, and then I'm writing down as 8dp. Let's come down to the same Android is to margin dot start now. This is it's margin start now, and again it's setting it to 8dp. The error is gone. You saw that? Because if we make it at the end, we should make it at the start. If we make it at the left, we should make it at the right. Like that it is. The start is over. Now we'll have to do the top. Let's write down layout underscore margin top. And this also we are setting it to 8dp. Let's come down and then do the same. Android is to layout underscore margin, and now let's end it up. It's still showing an error. Yeah, so let's do the constraints. Layout underscore constraint parent. Okay, let's come up here and then do app is to layout underscore constraint end to end of the parent. And now we'll have to do for this left layout underscore constraint left to left of, and then parent. Let's come down over here, and then let's do app is to layout underscore constraint top to bottom of, and over here we'll put the ID of progress bar of the we'll put it for the text view. Sorry, let's put it for the text view like this. Yeah, you saw that error is gone over here. There are no errors. Let's do the same for the buttons. Let's write down button. Let's come down over here. Yeah, and I'm setting the width to wrap content, and over here I'm setting the ID Android. Just write down ID, you get it. And then over here I'm setting the ID as button, just button. Nothing more. And then I come down, I do Android is to layout underscore margin, and then the start is there, the top and the end. Start, top and the end. So first let's take out the start, and then let's do it for the end. Android is to layout underscore margin. Yeah, you saw it there. 8 dp. Let's come out. You saw error is gone. Android is to layout underscore, and the last one is going to be the end. Yeah. The top is not yet done. Yeah, okay, yeah. Then the ADP. Let's come down and then let's do the app underscore layout underscore constraint top to bottom off. Let's do this first so that we set out the ID of the before one of the progress bar. So let's write down, yeah, progress bar. There we go, the error is gone. But in the button there's an error because we didn't set the position of it. So let's do that. App is to layout underscore left to left off. Okay, yeah. The thing we need to do first, we'll have to come here and then do it. Left to left off is of the parent. Let's come out. Let's do it for the other one. Layout underscore constraint start to start off the parent. Yeah, you saw that the error is gone. Let's end this up now. Let's copy this up and let's come down and then paste it. And yeah, we forgot one thing, the text and when it's clicked. So let's just do that up. Let's first delete this. This gives us a lot of disturbance. Yeah, let's come up here. And then let's do the Android. Just write down on click and you get it. Yeah, you saw? On click over here, I'm making a method. Over here, I'm just making a method. So it is going to show an error because we didn't make it. And I'm naming the method as start progress bar. And let's click on the red line. And you saw start progress bar and the view in the main activity it's going to create. Yeah, so we wanted that to happen. And let's set the text over here also. Let's just write down text in lowercase. Yeah, we are going to write down start progress bar. So over here now let's copy this up. Let's come down, paste it. And the ID, this is for the maps. That one I'm not going to do in this video. I'll be doing it in my next video. Yeah, so this everything is right, but the method over here is just changed. The method and the text. The method I'm going to name it as show map. Let's just do the M uppercase. Yeah, and then over here the text, let's just do it as show map. Let's do more actions and then let's create a show map method over here. And then let's come down, paste the same thing, and then the ID as button stop threads. Stop threads. And over here on click the method is going to be stop threads. And I'm setting the text as stop threads. Stop the threads. Yeah. So let's click on the red line, more actions, and then let's create a method. Let's do the same. This is the last. This is the last button and a last code in activity main. And let's set the ID for this as start threads. Yeah, so let's change it up. Start threads. And yeah, we forgot one thing. We'll have to change the top over here. The constraint, we forgot it. We just copied and went on and went on and went on. So let's just change it up. And what's the before? Yeah, the button. So let's just set this as the button. And this one as the maps. And this one is the button stop threads. Buttons top threads. Yeah, so let's do the last. Oh yeah, the last one is done. Let's just set the great start threads. Every stop threads is there. Yeah, so we have completed our code in activity underscore main.xml. Let's come to the main activity. Just move this up a bit. And now over here we'll have to delete this view thread.start. So then it'll start counting without us touching the button. So we don't want that. So let's just delete this up. And yeah, we did another mistake. Okay. So let's just go to main activity. The start, show map and stop is there. So the start, show map and stop is there. Okay, the button is not there. On click, it's not the start progress bar. It is going to be so let's delete this up and then let's write down start. Okay. Okay, so let's just do this start progress bar. And now let's do that. So yeah, we have made a mistake. Over here we just kept it as start progress bar. We had to keep it as start threads. Let's do that up. And then let's go to more actions and create start. So here. And let's okay. So let's do one thing. Let's just delete this up and let's come to the activity main. Let's go to more actions over here. Yeah, got that. So this one have to be at the top. Let's do Control X and then let's go to the top. Control V. And over here in the main activity, over here in the stop threads, the thing we have to do is we have to say Wi-Fi thread dot stop, like this. Let's do the same for the view thread dot stop. In the start, nothing but we'll have to just say start threads. Let's rename that over here also. Where is that? Start threads, yeah. So let's just write it again, yeah. So let's go to main activity, let's come down and then let's say Wi-Fi thread dot start. Let's come down, do the same for the view thread dot start. So yeah, let's now compile it, and also don't forget to go to the logcat. Let's have so yeah, our emulator is there. Yeah, so let's do one thing. Let's go to the emulator over here, the Adb Manager. Let's go and then let's run this. Yeah, so now let's run this. There will not be any problem. So I think we forgot to run it out. So first let the emulator open up. Let the phone start, let the emulator start. Let the emulator start. When I'm doing videos only they should. Yeah, so now let's run this up. Yeah, so this is how our app looks. The hello world and every single thing is there. So let's just try putting start progress bar. Yeah, you should wait for a minute. till it gets loaded. Let's put on yeah, so let's just put down start. You saw that let's just put on start progress bar, and yeah, so let's just go to the activity main first, and then over here we have a bug. Here, let's just make it as start threads, and now let's restart it. So you saw that we got the numbers. Let's do stop threads, it ends it up. So great, now we know how to make wonderful apps using threads.